aneuploidy and aneuploids, Silpa. Aneuploidy is a phenomenon, or aneuploidy is a type of numerical change in chromosome in which there is neither gain nor loss of a complete set of rather one or more than one chromosome may get added in the normal chromosome complement, or one or more than one chromosome get eliminated from normal chromosome complement. Then the term aneuploidy is used, and such cells and organisms are called aneuploids. And you know that aneuploidy is of two types: hyperploidy and hypoploidy. In case of hyperploidy, there is addition of one or more than one chromosome in the normal chromosome complement, and this and hyperploids are of three types. The first one is trisomy, and in case of trisomy, there is presence of an additional chromosome which is homologous to any of the chromosome in the normal chromosome complement. So this and the term, this is the example of trisomy, and the trisomy is represented by the genomic formula 2n plus 1. Similarly, if there is addition, if there is presence of two chromosomes, two non-homologous chromosomes, two non-homologs, but they are homolog to any two chromosome present in the normal chromosome complement. So if there is presence of two additional chromosomes in the normal chromosome complement, which are homologous to any two chromosome in the cell, then the term double trisomy is used. And if there is addition, if there is presence of a pair of homologous chromosomes, additional pair of homologous chromosomes which are homologous to any one pair of the chromosome, then the term tetrasomy is used, because a particular chromosome is represented by four chromosomes in the set. Therefore, the term tetrasomy is used. So this hyperploidy is of three types: trisomy, double trisomy, and tetrasomy. Now, today we have to study the hypoploidy. As the name indicates, hypoploidy, yani less than a set. Less than a set. What is the such type of numerical change in chromosome which does not involve a complete set? Rather, there is a loss, there is loss of one or more than one chromosome from the normal chromosome complement, but not a complete set, is known as hypoploidy. And these hypoploid and the hypoploid and such cells are called hypoploid, and the phenomenon is known as hypoploidy. And the hypoploids are also of three types, which include the monosomy, double monosomy, and nullisomy. Okay? So these are the three types of hypoploids, and which I am going to make you understand by the diagram sketched on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard, Shilpa and Pooja. This
Yes.
is, look at the normal chromosome. I have written here hypo. Today's topic, which topic we are studying? We are studying the genomatic mutation. And what is genomatic mutation? Numerical change in chromosome is called genomatic mutation. And which topic is and which genomatic mutation is of two types: euploidy and aneuploidy. We have taken this. We have started the topic aneuploidy, and this aneuploidy is of two types: hyperploidy and hypoploidy. In the previous lecture, we have already studied the hyperploidy. Today's lecture is on hypoploidy. Look at this hypoploidy and hypoploids are of three types: monosomy, monosomic, okay, double monosomic, and nullisomic. And the phenomenon is known as monosomy, double monosomy, and nullisomy. The monosomics are represented by the genomic formula 2n minus. Double monosomics are represented by the genetic n minus 1. The nullisomic is represented by the genomic formula 2n minus 2. Look here, now
Yes.
you have to understand this. This is the structure of a normal chromosome complement. This is a cell having 2n barabar 6. Three pairs of chromosomes are present. In this case, first pair is having capital A, small a, second pair is having capital P and small b, and the second pair is having capital C, small c. These lines represent the chromosome, and the alphabet represent the name of the chromosome. This is the paternal chromosome. Capital A represent the paternal chromosome, small a represent the maternal chromosome in the first pair. Similarly, in the second pair, capital B represent the paternal chromosome, and capital B represent the maternal chromosome. Similarly, in the third pair, the capital C represent the paternal chromosome, and small c represent the maternal. So there are three pairs of chromosome. This is the first pair, second pair, and third pair. And we can write that when is equal to 6. 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. There are three pairs of, you can say that there are three pairs of chromosome, and you can also say in another way like diploid number of chromosome in this case is 6. And if this is the normal chromosome complement, what will be the chromosome complement of monosomic, double monosomic, and nullisomic? Look here. These are the three diagrams which have been shown here to make you understand. The diagram showing the monosomic. So there is a loss of one chromosome. In case capital A is present, the from in 2n minus 1. What has happened? From the first pair of chromosome, the paternal chromosome is absent here. The paternal chromosome absent, or therefore I have written here I have represented it by writing here the minus sign. What happened? From the first pair, the chromosome capital A, the paternal chromosome is absent. And there are only 5 chromosomes. In this case, there are 5 chromosomes, and the one chromosome is absent from the first pair. So the genomic formula will be now 2n minus 1. Which chromosome has been lost? Chromosome has been lost. The formula is 2n minus 1, and I have written it. What happens in case of monosomic? Then there is loss of one homologue from a pair. यानी first pair से एक chromosome का absent हो जाना. इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? 2n minus, which is known as the monosomy. Second diagram, this is the double monosomy. Double monosomy, n minus 1, minus 1. What has happened in this case? So from first one chromosome is absent. From the second pair, another also one. That capital A and capital B are absent. Now there are only 4. In this case 5. In this case only 4. 2 chromosomes are absent. But these 2 chromosomes are absent from 2 different pairs. From the first pair, one chromosome has been lost, and from the second pair, one chromosome has been. And now this is the genomic formula, which is known as a double monosomic. And why the term monosomy? Mono means one. So this first pair is represented by loss of one chromosome. The first only one chromosome is for the term monosomy. The second pair only one chromosome %. Therefore, two pairs of in two pairs. In each of these 2 pairs, one chromosome is absent. Therefore, the term double monosomy is used because these 2 pairs are represented by only each. Therefore, the term double monosomy is used. 2n minus 1 minus 1. In this case, monosomy, because one pair of the chromosome is deficient. One homologue. The term monosomy. It's the third type. The third type is the nullisomy. Nullisomic, what is the molecule? What is the genomic formula? 2n minus 2. Shilpa, look here. And Pooja.
Yes. Yes, sir.
The entire first pair, both the chromosome capital A and small a have been lost. Yani in case of the first pair is totally absent. The second pair is having a capital B, small b. The third pair is having a capital C, small c. But in case of first pair, both the homologues, capital A and small a, have been lost. Therefore, the genomic formula has come to be 2n minus 2. And what is the term? Nullisomy. Null means 0. So first pair is having no chromosome. Therefore, the term nullisomy is used. Okay. So these are the three types of the hypoploidy, and these hypoploidy 3 types as I have written here. Monosomy, which is represented by the genomic formula 2n minus 1. The double monosomy, which is represented by the genomic formula 2n minus 1 minus 1. And the third one is the nullisomic, which is represented by the 2n minus. This is the classification. Today we have we are studying the hypoploidy, which is a type of the aneuploidy. These hypoploidy types, monosomics, double monosomics, and monosomy, double monosomy, and nullisomy. Is there any understanding?
No, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I clear to all of you.
Yes, sir. All clear.